Hey, it's Richard with PreSonus, and today I want to talk about subgroups. A subgroup is an independent bus, just like an aux mix, but it shares fader level and panning with the main mix. Now, unlike a DCA group, which only controls channel volumes, you can route a subgroup to an output and add processing like a compressor or EQ. One way to do this on a 32-channel Series 3 mixer is with fixed subgroups, A, B, C, and D. This feature isn't available on a 64S because of its LCR configuration. So for today, we're going to take a look at how to set up a fixed subgroup on a 32-channel Series 3 console work surface. For this demo, I'm using a 32SC, so things will look a little different if you're using one of our larger consoles. Here you see a band layout with 10 channels for drums, and I've already set their individual channel panning. Let's send them to a stereo group. First, I'll press the Mix FX Masters button, then I'll hit the Next button until I see Sub A in the channel strip. I'll select Sub A and press the Link button. That gives me a stereo group. Now I'll hit the gear icon on the top left of the touchscreen and ensure that all of my link options are lit. Now I'll name my bus, and because I've selected names to be part of the stereo link options, my bus name will appear in both the Sub A and B channel strips. Then I'll hit the gear icon again, and I'll go to my main mix button to the left of the faders. I'll select each channel and hit the A or B button at the bottom right portion of the touchscreen, and because they're paired, the other one will light up as well. Once I've completed selecting my channels, I can then navigate back to my Mix FX Masters, select either Sub A or B, and I can now add DSP processing to the sub bus, delay it, or take it out of the main mix if I need to. As you can see, StudioLive Series 3 mixers are loaded with powerful tools and flexible workflows that streamline mixing. For more information, go to PreSonus.com or check us out on YouTube. Hey, thanks for watching. See you next time.